Yes, hello. Yeah, today we are going to learn on how to create a learning management system, and we are going to use Genomio to create a Moodle site to facilitate an online course. So first you go to genomio.com. Yeah, you type on the address bar genomio.com. And now this is our landing page. Here you can able to create your site. As you can see here, you can input your name. For my case, I will use Vanessa. That's my name, Vanessa. Then you input your address. Select your language. You have English, and then you have to agree to the terms that you have read. Then you click create. Yeah, your site is being created. Then check on your email. You have your Moodle site is at the site name. The login information is here, admin, and the password there. You can see the password there. Copy the password. Okay, now we click on your site. Then click login. So basically this is just a free site. You don't have to pay anything. Put our username as admin and then the password. We log in. Don't save. Okay, I got it. Now here is our platform. Then you check on edit mode. So this is a dashboard, the admin dashboard. As you can see, we have my courses here. My courses, as you will discover that you don't have any course because you have not created one. So you go to site administration. Then you can do some few things. You can check the users. Let's first check our profile. I update your profile if you wish. Here you edit. Then general information, whereby you have the username. You can decide to change it from the default admin, maybe to my name. Then you have the password. You can change the password. I put my own password here. So my first name should not be admin. That's my first name, and the surname is here. And that's my email. So something to remember on the password. There is an authentication of the password here. There are the rules. It must be 8 characters, at least 1 digit, 1 lowercase, and at least 1 uppercase letter. We also use special characters such as the asterisk, the hyphen or hash, etc. I have put my password. Then you can decide to use a picture. You can add a profile picture here. In my case, I'm not going to put any picture. Then after that, you update your profile. Yeah, that's it. You can see changes saved. Now my profile has been updated. So now you're going to create a course, site administration. Then you click on courses. Here you have the courses. Add a new course. But if you have so many categories of the courses in your institution, such as the welding department, the masonry department, welding, ICT, etc. But in our case, we'll not have a category. We'll just create one site here, assuming we are just offering one course. So our course name, let's say Introduction to ICT. Then our course short name, we call it ICT. Category, by default it will be category 1 because we haven't created any category. Then you can change some few things here, like the course start date and course end date. Here's the description. You give a summary of the course. Just write a summary of the course here. You describe the course. You can add the course image here, but I'm not adding any course image. Then after that you click on save and display. So now here is our introduction to ICT. Click edit mode. Keep the tour. Okay, now here we have our first course, Introduction to ICT. Then general, we have the forum, announcements. So here we just add as general news. If there's anything that you need your student to know, use this one. Use it as just like the notice board. Yeah. So you can add the top discussion topic, etc. Then here we have the topics, like topic 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, now before we go there, we add an activity, maybe to welcome the users or the students. So use activity here. Now first use resource. Sorry, my courses. Under general, let's create an activity here. This activity. There you can decide to use the page. You can use the label, this. And let's use a page for the welcoming message. And here, introduction. You can say introduction to the course. That's the title. Then a brief description here. Let's say this course enables you to acquire fundamentals, knowledge and skills of ICT, or you can say computing. You say maybe say the course facilitator. The name of the course facilitator here. So you can add some few content here. Maybe no description, or then you save. You're going to save. Oh, you need some content here. Maybe you can say the topics to be covered. We have, then you name them. After that, we're going to save. So we have saved. Then also you can add an activity. No, we have the forum. This will be add an activity, a forum, so that the students can or the trainees can introduce themselves. Let's say introduction. It save, we're saving and returning to the course. Then we can add a topic here. Our first topic, let's say it's we're going to use the page resource. The name is the computer hardware. And the description will be saying this topic covers the physical components of a computer system. Then here we can add our content. We can decide which, just for practice purposes, I'm just taking notes from the internet, computer hardware, but you create your own notes. You can add a resource. Okay, I can use this site. This is not the best. can just copy some text, the text. I just need text. Let's take just this is just for practice purposes, and I can paste it there. I didn't get the text properly. Say that's our text, our notes, and save. This is just a simple pause. That's topic 1. You can also add a resource, a reference. You can use the book, add a book. Let's name it computer hardware. Then here we also add the text from our source, and we save. Now that's our site we have created. Then we are going to add users. Let's add new users to our site. Add new user there. The users can be your student. So under the username here, basically needs to be the student's registration number. Let's take instance yes 1 2 3 4. Let's use a 1, and the password here you can say 1 2 3. Then you can decide to click here so that the user can change the password later. The user's first name like Hamadi Kidindo, his email address hkidindo@gmail.com. After that, there are so many details. The user will update his profile, then we create user. Problem, I think it's my internet. Yeah, add that user. The password rules, we have not used the password rules. Let's see, Amadi@1. one user. So we add more users. Add more users. At least we should add at least 5 users. So username 2022, yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 2, 3, 4, 5. Then password, let's add the name. Password. Now we have the email address. Then we go ahead, we save the user. We add more, 3 more to go. Our username here, password for this user. First name, and create. Added oh yeah, it's too short. So make sure the password is of 8 characters and it meets the requirements. Adding 2 more users. Now our users are our students. Username. Not added the email address. One more user. it. I've already created 5 users. Yeah, you can create as many users as possible, but in our site I just add 5 users. Then you go to our courses, course, manage course and categories. So up there, my course is here. So here is our course. Click on participants. Then you are going to enroll users. You're going to enroll users. Here, click enroll. And the role of the users should be students. We have Jonathan, Likita, Mercy, Amadi, and Jilo. We're going to enroll all these users. Yeah. Now we have enrolled our users. These users can access my course. The users can access my course. And can go to the course. We use view mode. This is how the users will be able to see the course. Introduction to ICT, announcements. We have not put any announcement. Yeah, it's an introduction, so the users can decide to can add a discussion topic whereby their fellows can read and interact by replying. We also have the computer hardware, topic 1. Computer hardware, you can see I have the notes here. Also, this was the book resource. And now we have created our site. We have added users, and also we have created contents to our site. So now the users can access the course.